Ndeo. Welcome back. Thank you for joining. Please do share, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. And today we'll continue with the topic Akarankwubiri, which is ellipsis. Ellipsis. Akarankwubiri. In Igbo language, Nkwubiri means to cut whatever you are saying while making a statement, or you are talking too much. Your parents can tell you, Nwam kwubiri, my child, reduce the way you are talking, or stop talking. Kwubiri means to stop halfway, not to complete what you are saying. Stopping halfway. Kwubiri. So this ellipsis, we coined the name from our normal stopping halfway in conversation, which is Akarankwubiri. What is Akarankwubiri? It shows an incomplete statement. It shows that a statement is incomplete. Wherever you see Nkwubiri, whether in Igbo or in English, it shows an incomplete sentence. Where do we see this Akarankwubiri or ellipsis? Is always seen in literature. Literature in Igbo language is edemede. Edemede. Literature, drama. Because you will have first person talking, second person talking. Maybe when the first person is talking, second person can cut the first person off and continue from where he or she stopped. So that is where you can experience this Nkwubiri, which is ellipsis. What are the examples of this Nkwubiri? Let me say, in a drama, in Igbo we call it ejije. Literature in Igbo is called edemede, while drama in Igbo is called ejije. Ejije means to mimic someone. Means when a drama is written, you want to mimic the character that you are reading from that literature. So that is why we coined and derived this name, ejije. Example, maybe we have like two speakers in a particular scene in a drama. Let me say a doctor. A doctor will say, Nne, kedu aha gị? Nne, what is your name? What is your name? And the person will reply, maybe the person that is being treated will reply, we call patients in Igbo onye ọrịa. The onye ọrịa will reply, aha m bụ Ngozi. Aha m bụ Ngozi. My name is Ngozi. And the doctor will say another word, ole mgbe ahụ gị malitere? And you see tom tom tom, meaning that that statement is incomplete. The person really wants to immediately answer the question without allowing the doctor to finish his statement, and the person will rush in to answer. Kemgbe abalị anọ gara aga, since the past 4 days. You know, most times when somebody is asking you question, the first 2, 3, 4 words will tell you the remaining thing in that sentence, which will make you to draw conclusion to answer immediately without waiting for the person to land or to finish his or her statement. This is where we can experience Akarankwubiri. Thank you for staying tuned. Please join me in my next video. Kodi.